Some of my friends are asking how to do this inde sannad inde reel. So download an app called Capcut. So this is the app, Capcut app. Go to Google and search for Rara Capcut template. Click this and you see this template, and then use template on Capcut. 1, 2, Rave Babu. Yeah, and then click open. Then you get this on use template and select one video of 14 seconds and then select like 29 photos. So I just put my friend's Kranti and you can say something. My life. And once you're done, just do an export and save and share to Capcut without. And that's how you get this reel. But when you upload it to Instagram, you should just use the inde sanad inde that audio. If you're difficult to find the audio, you can go to my profile and you could see Deccan Chargers or MS Dhoni or Night Varangal, Santu, JNV, anything, you could just use this audio. You can just audio and then upload the CapCut exported video, and that will be it, I think. The reel's actual song name is Vilambara Ideiveli. It's from this Tamil movie, and I think the music is by one of my favorite hip hop Tamila.